children. Today we are going to learn paper boat. So are you ready? So first what you have to write? You have to write the date, classwork and the heading BOAT, boat. Here I have an yellow color origami sheet. I have a yellow color origami sheet. So what you have to do? You have to place like this. Which shape it has formed? Diamond. So now what you will do? You will turn it and you will fold it corner to corner. And then rectangle will be formed like this. And the second step is what you have to do? You have to turn like this. And your boat is ready. Now we have the boat. Now like this you have to make the waves with the blue color and your boat is